Available representative. Me and the please refer to your invoice email.
Hey, I was calling to see if I could get a status of the delivery of the dumpster I ordered for today. Is it possible to know kind of a time frame? Yes, ma'am.
This number?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay, sounds good. Talk to you soon.
Thank you. Bye. I was on hold for 20 minutes for her to tell me, oh, I don't have any information. Let me call you back. Welcome back. Sorry you had to witness that. I wasn't really mean to them because they didn't guarantee me a time. They just said, oh, we start deliveries at 6. And so my brain was like, we're getting the dumpster at 7. But they never really told me what time. I was just, please don't go in there. I was just hoping that they would get here earlier, but they're not going to. So I'm gonna move on. I can't really do anything else with the wall right now, or the room. So I'm gonna just start back on the kitchen cabinet base. I always say kitchen cabinet, sink base cabinet. I run into an issue. I took all the baseboard down, which is like maybe 10 inches. They're pretty substantial bases. This is the first time I'm really gonna discover why there is a patch on the floor right here. I was afraid it was an old fireplace, and I'm thinking that's maybe what it is. I don't know if you can see this from over there, but the drywall kind of comes out. It goes in, you can't see that. It's straight, and then right here at this patch, it bows out. If you will not go into that little hole, and please move so I can cut the wall open. Excuse me, thank you. I think, oh yeah, there's drywall, and then it looks like plywood behind it. Oh, that's stupid. Okay, well. Okay, so found out what's happening. This came out of the wall. Does anyone know what this is? I mean, it's a wire. It just has a red and black. It's not live. Just kidding, I already knew this. I apologize for yesterday. I was a little frustrated. Everything went wrong. Okay, so how I'm gonna deal with that is forget about the stupid fireplace wall behind the sink. The dumpster's here. No big deal. I cleaned up the room finally, now that also the stove is here and the microwave. And my wood floor is ready in Coleman. I just need to go get it. But first I need to smash up the tile. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is a wonderful way to let out all of your frustration. So I'm gonna get started. Safety gear, glasses, respirator, ear protection, gloves, and smash. Okay. To the wife, she let me know what's happening. I am shutting down everything, turn the lights off, putting the pets away, and I'm going to go to Home Depot and get some more cardboard boxes to pack up all the food in the pantry. Right there. I'm gonna load that up, get those cabinets out, and then I'm going to, around that corner, disassemble the sink area. Because I need to get all the plumbing out. I need to get our water filter system. I need to get our faucet, get the wine fridge out, which I forgot that was over there. But first, I'm gonna go get the boxes, and then I'm gonna go to Coleman, get the wood, so that I can put it in the house, because I think it's supposed to like acclimate to your house for a day or 2 or 3. So I will do that. It's gonna be great. It's gonna go so fast. Maybe this weekend, I can start putting the floors down. That would be great. My wife is working all weekend, so I have nothing else to do but work. So, all right, see you guys. Wow, this wood is gonna look so good. So I've never seen my wood floors not with a disgusting stain that they have currently. Okay, I just panicked that it wasn't the right size. It is, guys, it is. It is. Oh, that piece is a little messed up. Hi, Jarvis. Hi. What do you, hi, you want me to pack the butt? Okay, all right, go on. Go somewhere else. Go out, go somewhere else. Ah, get off of me. Free dog to good home. Anyway, my point was, it fits, it's the same size, and it's gonna look really good. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. is rough. Pretty sure this was built in place. There's no way anyone carried this in here, or multiple people. It was way too heavy. Okay, piece by piece, we will make it through these tough times of prosperity and I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take this part and we're gonna see you guys in the morning. Okay. Good morning. Okay, so it's a new day. I'm already sweaty because I've already been working. As you see here, this is what I was doing. So what I'm doing today is getting the rest of the cabinets out and getting the rest of the floor out and putting the wood floor down soon, today, maybe-ish, I don't know. I'm at least going to get the floor in here, clear it out, build it back up, because I don't know what size plywood I'm gonna need once I take this backer board out to match what's right there. So I'll have to figure that out later. On a future video, after the kitchen is done, I will be installing an Aquasana whole house water filtration and softener system. No salt. So that will be coming later. Until then, we just have a little water filter system. But I have to take all that out because that's going in the new sink, and the garbage disposal is going in the new sink because it's pretty new, and the faucet is going in the new sink. So I need to take all three of those things out, safely put them somewhere, and then rip this cabinet out. Okay, so what started off as a horrible day and nothing was going right, I grabbed that day by the collar and I said, "You're not gonna win, day." And so then I did some more demo. Cabinets are gone. Kitchen is gutted. Almost completely gutted how it's gonna be. I'll still need to do some electrical lights and add the ventilation for the hood through the ceiling. But other than that, it's done. Join us next week when we will be putting in the new wood floors and refinishing them. I think that's a good video. That'll be a good video. You guys stay tuned for next week. If you like this content, then hit that notification bell, hit subscribe, hit the like, do whatever you're gonna do, help other people find the video. You can even share it if you want to, I don't care. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. You guys acclimating? Yeah. What are you guys looking forward to most about your new home?